everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. It's good to be back again today. Thank you for sending in your emails. Thank you for your comments, and thank you for subscribing. If an Extra Step CEO inspire you on how to grow your business, what you need in your business growth journey, and I'm here to motivate you. I'm here to inspire you, because business journey is not for the faint-hearted. Yes, that's it. It is not for the faint-hearted. That I know. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I have new videos you'll be notified, and please comment, send your emails, and give this video thumbs up. Yeah. Thank you. So let's go right into today's show. I do tell people, for every team you are building, you need some people around you. In my last video, I said starting a business or being an entrepreneur, you need network around you. Yes, you cannot do it all alone. Like, you know, when teams of footballers are going out, or like if they have a league, they don't go alone. They have in their midst teams of doctors, nurses, paramedics. You know, they have medical teams. So I call these people healthy relationship that would enhance your business growth. So you need mentors, you need cheerleaders, you need social group support, you need business support. Yes, these four groups are vital in your network to enhance your business growth. All right, so who are these mentors? Your mentor could be someone in the same line of business as you are. It could be someone that you know has done this business before and succeeded in it. So when you're choosing a mentor, or when you're trying to select mentors for your business, please make sure you pick people. You don't need so much. 1 or 2 is okay. You don't need field of mentors. No, that would strike me like someone that is not sure of him or herself. No, 1 or 2, you just need mentors. That I can tell you in business growth. So when you're selecting mentors for your business, they should be people that you trust in their judgment. They should be people that you can take their advice to board, you know. Then your mentors should be people that are after your progress. If these people strike these 3 conditions, then you are okay. You need mentors to inspire you. You need mentors to encourage you. You need mentors to advise you when it seems like your business journey is slow, or kind of I don't want to use this word. No, not depressing. No, I would say challenging. Yes, you need mentors. These are people you fall back on for their advices, for how do I go about this? I'm stuck. What more can I do? Okay. Then your cheerleaders. Your cheerleaders should be people that would encourage you even when it seems like you are not getting it right. You know, there are sometimes you sit down and question yourself, like, am I supposed to be in business? Am I supposed to resign from my regular job? You know, why leave a regular job to come for something you are not sure of? Do you understand? Your cheerleaders should be people that would tell you, irrespective of what happens, we are here for you. You are doing well. Yes, it will turn out very well. These are people that can pat you at the back and tell you, don't worry, we have your back always. These are your cheerleaders. You know, would always cheer you on even when you're tired. Like when you see them, you're on your feet again. These are cheerleaders. So you need cheerleaders in your business journey. Then you need your social support or social group support. Like when you're tired after a long week of hustling, these are people that you could sit around the table with, share a bottle of drink, like, okay, let's brainstorm, let's just unwind, like let's go and relax somewhere. These are your social group. They are very, very important in your network of business growth. You know, these people that can always tell you, oh, let's just go and sightsee. Let's just go and visit friends, or let's go on a charitable cause. These are your social group support. Then your business support. Your business support could be your banks. It could be people in the same type of business as you do, people that you can always call on when you are out of stock, like, oh, I have to deliver this to this company, can I get from you? People that you trust their brand, that's, you know, they match up to your own brand as well. These are your business support. People that you can always call on when you are financially down and you're like, oh, I need this for my business. These are your business support. So you need this group of people in your network as you're growing your business. You cannot undermine their position. So if you are new in business, if you are transitioning, if you are a startup, please sit down, check your network of people. Are there people in your network that you could group into this category? And if you are a business guru, like you've been in business like for years, check your network of people. Do you have people that you can group in these categories? And you can always say, yes, these are my trusted network. Like, yes, I've got it. You know, this is very, very important. Very, very vital for your business growth. Business is not something you can do alone, no matter how strong you think you are. Business will try your patience. It will try your strength. There will be times you just get home and you want to wake up the next day and say, I don't want to do this business again. So, as you build your business strategically, be mindful of this network of people around you. It's a key to success in business growth. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe as you head out of the door. I appreciate your comments, and it's that notification bell